Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everybody. Let me introduce myself and my team. My name is Rinda Suryatul Mahmuda and my team Professor Dr. Insinyur Nandaria MS, Insinyur Ratna Bandriati Agni Putri MS, Dr. Insinyur Amalia Tetrani Satya MPM Phil. On this opportunity, I will present the result of our research entitled The Effect of an NAA and Coconut Water Combination on Garlic, Allium, sativum tissue culture. First of all, we know that garlic is a spice plant that has high commercial value. The Tawamau Baru variety garlic is one of the local garlic that is much in demand by the public because Tawamau Baru variety has a strong aroma. Garlic cultivation through this tissue culture technique can produce more seeds in one bulb than conventional planting. One of the factors that affect the success of the growth of garlic expand is PGR contained in the culture media. Growth regulators that are important for the growth of garlic expand are from the auxin and cytokinin groups. The purpose of this research is to determine the effect of NAA in coconut water on garlic growth with tissue culture technique. This research was conducted in September 2020 till March 2021 at the Laboratory of Plant Physiology and Biotechnology, Faculty of Agriculture, 11 Maret, University Surakarta. The research method used in this study is two-factor completely randomized design, with the first factor being NAA concentration 0 ppm, 0.5 ppm, 1 ppm, 1.5 ppm. And the second factor, coconut water, with a concentration of 0%, 10%, and 20%. The observed data were analyzed for their diversity using the F-test at the 5% level, and if it was significantly different, it was followed by a DMRT of 5% level. In this research, the variable observed were shoot emergence time, root emergence time, number of shoot, number of roots, number of leaves, shoot height, root length, and number of plantlets. Next, result and discussion. Based on the table 1, it can be concluded that the result of the analysis of the variety of times of the shoot emergence on garlic expand with treatment of NAA and coconut water showed not significant. Control treatment and treatment by increasing NAA in coconut water on garlic expand can induce the formation of shoots. The emergence of the shoot on average occurs when the plant is less than 4 days old after planting. Paistika Samanbudi and Triharyanto state that each plant already contains enough cytokines and auxin for the emergence of the shoot, but is also more influenced by genetic factors than external factors. Based on the F-test result that can be seen in Table 2, the addition of NAA at concentration of 0.5 ppm followed by the addition of coconut water 0% and 10% significantly different with the treatment of NAA 1.5 ppm plus coconut water 0%. Treatment that shows better result is NAA treatment 0.5 ppm plus coconut water 0% with the time of root emergence 3.33 days after planting. According to Alarcon et al., the addition of NAA at high doses leads to loss of root stimulatory effect such as reduced primary root lining and inhibition of lateral root formation. The result of the various analyses using the F-test with the confidence level of 5% did not show a significant difference in number of shoots. The number of shoots in this research was 1.8 till 3.8 shoots. According to Erawati, Visdiana, and Humaida, expand condition affect the growth on success of culture, namely genetic factor, types of explant size, age, and physiological phase of tissues used as explant. The addition of NAA and coconut water in MS media has not been significant in the number of roots. Both single factor or interactions of NAA and coconut water. The result of this research, the number of roots formed ranged from 4.40 to till 12.9 roots. According to Hartman et al., different cytokinins and auxin can be responded to by different plants. Based on the F-test of at a rate of 5%, the single factor of coconut water has a significant effect in the number of leaves. The leaves formed more on the treatment of NAA 0.5 ppm plus coconut water 20%, which is 4.85 leaves. Control treatment and NAA1 ppm plus coconut water 0% gave a lower result that only 1.67 leaves were formed, although the treatment did not show significant difference with all treatment in table 5 followed by notation letter in A in the DMRT test result. According to Rantawulandari and Mahadijaya, tubers grown at higher concentration of cytokinins combined with cytokinin or organic auxin produce a greater number of leaves. The addition of coconut water and the interaction between NAA and coconut water in the MS media have a significant difference in the height of garlic exposure. Based on the result of test F that can be seen in table 6, shows that the addition of NAA 0 ppm accompanied by the addition of coconut water up to 20% showed results that are no different from the treatment of NAA 0.5 ppm, NAA 1 ppm, NAA 1.5 ppm followed by the addition of coconut water 10% and 20%. But NAA 1 ppm plus coconut water 20% showed higher crop yields of 24.57 centimeter. Lazim Badruzaman Peng and Long state that coconut water contains a variety of substances, namely carbohydrate, vitamins, cytokinins, and a little auxin that are useful for plant growth. The result of the F-test analysis showed that the addition of NAA in coconut water with various concentrations did not have a significant influence on the length of garlic root crops. The length of garlic explant root in table 7 ranged from 12 till 22.4 cm. According to Akbar, Eni, Endroko, and Herawan, the addition of exogenous auxin in plant causes root lengthening in hemorrhage because plants have a high content of endogenous auxin. Based on the result of F-test showed that the retreatment of single-factor coconut water and interaction between NAA and coconut water had a significant effect on the number of plants. Control treatment differs markedly from NAA treatment 0 ppm plus coconut water 20%, NAA 0.5 ppm plus coconut water 10%, NAA 0.5 ppm plus coconut water 20%, NAA 1 ppm plus coconut water 20%, and NAA 1.5 ppm plus coconut water 10%. However, a greater number of plants were found in NA treatment 1.5 ppm plus coconut water 10%. Mustafa, Hwang Song, and Lee state that the application of cytokinin and exogenous auxin is important in garlic tissue culture to stimulate various plant development and physiological and induce callus formation. Next conclusion, the result obtained in the present research is that first, giving coconut water with a concentration of 10% and 20% show better result than giving coconut water 0% to the number of leaves, the height of shoot, and the number of plants. Giving NAA 0.5 ppm plus coconut water 0% showed better result in accelerating the time of root emergence, that is 3.33 days after planting. The addition of coconut water 20% followed by an increase in NAA to a concentration of 1 ppm increased the shoot height and integration of coconut water by 10% followed by the addition of NAA to a concentration of 1.5 ppm increasing the number of plants. Last reference. This is a reference I used to create this presentation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.